Hi there, this is my Android head unit. Looking at GPS speedometer, car dashboard OBD2 speed limit by Theta apps. Yeah, there's actually two of them. The one is by Auto Extreme, if you can see this. Yeah, one is by Auto Extreme, another one is Theta app. I've actually done this before, but somehow this is about the same name. Yeah, so let's check it out. Install it and take a look at the screenshots. Yeah, it's futuristic and fancy. Nice, yeah. Okay, so let's take a look at it. Another 40% to go. Okay, let's open it. Fancy dashboard. Okay, this is free, and I think only one team is free. The rest will be premium, which you need to wait it for load. Yep, this is premium. Yep. Oh, this premium, but it's free. Okay, this is free as well. Oh, okay, I think they are doing some sort of promotion. It's all free. Interesting. Let's try it out later on. And featured is free as well. Okay, downloads, there's no dashboard found, some spelling error there. Okay, let's go for the free one first. Yeah, so let's go for this and apply. Sorry about that. I think that's the sound effect. It's fetching data from the GPS. Somehow it's not going to get it because I'm under the basement. So what is this? Battery. Okay, it's good. Battery health is good, but I think this is always 100%. Yeah, it's attached to my car, so it's always good. So total distance, I've not moving yet, so it's 0. And I find that it's a little small here. Yeah, it could be bigger, or it can expand according to the screen, then they'll be good. Otherwise it's so this is the compass, this is the speedometer, and I think this is the RPM. If I have a OBD2 connect to this, then it should be able to tell me all this. So this is, are you sure you want to end this trip? Okay, so I can end the trip, then it will tell me trip summary, and don't look at the ad. So this is the speed limit. I think above 60 km/h it will alert me, and this is 0 Celsius. Doesn't make sense. I think this is the temperature of the car. It's now 26 actually. Once it's connected to the OBD2, then you'll be able to see it here as well. I think, yeah, this is the time, very small. Okay, so there's basically nothing else for me to touch or see here. So how do I get back to the setting? Or change any theme? I have no idea. So all I need to do is just go back, end the trip, and go back again. Yeah, then I'm here. So from here I can't change to another one. I go to the premium. Try this instead, or I just click get started. Yeah, oh, I gotta click on one to get started, and I apply this. Okay, so this is small. I think it's supposed to have full screen, but doesn't matter. RPM, oh sorry, this is the RPM, this is the speedometer. Yeah, that's about it. Then you get the view as well as the temperature, but yeah, this can do better. All right, next one, premium. Haven't seen this yet. All right, it's small. Can I get it bigger? I can't. Let's click on this. Yeah, I think this looks a little better. It's still too small. And let's check out this. This is Bluetooth and GPS. Bluetooth is on. GPS is on. Bluetooth is not. You need to on the Bluetooth in order for you to connect to the OBD2. Yeah. So this is the air intake temperature, ambient, and whatnot. Yep, all on. And check out the settings. This is drive detect. Okay. And speed unit is km per hour. You can change it to miles per hour. Dashboard, startup sweep, sound, and you can disable that, and speed limit as well. This is a recent trip, or you can see all the trips. Okay, next, this is privacy policy, and yeah, things that you need to read. Turn on location and connect OBD with Bluetooth. This is more like a reminder for you. Make sure you on this, so that you connect it to that. So okay, this is the dashboard. Okay, to summarize, I think this is not a bad app, just that the screen is too big for this. The developer didn't really expand the images big enough for big screens. It's actually made for small screens. I think having a 6-inch would be just nice. Yeah, mine is a 10 and it's a little bit too big. So 6 to 8 inch, I think you get to see a better result from the screen here, from the app here. So alright, I think that's about it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps. Yeah, if you have a big screen like mine, I think you just avoid using this app. If you have a smaller one, then go ahead. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.